In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate in Tinkercad Circuits quickly and easily. This is one of those simple but really important skills that can save you time when arranging parts on your circuit board. Whether you're placing a resistor, LED, sensor, or any other component, knowing how to rotate it the right way makes your circuit look cleaner and helps everything fit exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. The fastest way to rotate a component in Tinkercad Circuits is with a keyboard shortcut. First, click on the component you want to turn so it becomes selected. Once it's highlighted, just press the R key on your keyboard. Every time you press R, Tinkercad will rotate that component 45 degrees clockwise. That means you can keep pressing the key until the part is facing the direction you want. This is the quickest method, especially if you're adjusting multiple parts and want to work faster without moving your mouse around too much. Now let's look at the second method, which uses the toolbar icon. This is useful if you prefer clicking options on the screen instead of using shortcuts. First, select the component by clicking on it. Then look at the top left menu bar. You'll see a rotate icon, which looks like a curved arrow, and it sits right next to the delete or trash can icon. Click that rotate icon, and Tinkercad will turn the selected component. If you need to rotate it again, just click the icon another time until it's in the correct position. Both of these methods work great, so you can use whichever one feels more comfortable. If you're a beginner, the shortcut is worth remembering because it's fast and easy. If you're more comfortable using the interface, the toolbar button is just as simple. And if you're building a detailed circuit, rotating components properly can make wiring cleaner and improve the overall layout of your design. One quick tip before you go. If the component doesn't seem to rotate the way you expect, make sure it is fully selected first. In Tinkercad Circuits, the shortcut and the rotate tool only work when the part is actively clicked. So if nothing happens, just select the object again and try pressing R or clicking the rotate icon one more time. And that's it. You now know 2 easy ways to rotate in Tinkercad Circuits, using the R key for fast rotation or using the rotate icon in the top left toolbar. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Tinkercad and beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.